I will show you my new clock. It's a new Evangelion CASIO clock. I'm really happy for this new clock. This is the incredible new box that comes with this clock. Okay, I want to see this new clock. Okay, I'm opening the clock. Whoa! This is incredible. Really a beautiful clock. Oh, that's nice. Really nice. It's beautiful. Really beautiful. No words for this clock. It's amazing. Just amazing. Okay, I continue with this clock and I have it. Let me. Okay, and here we are. Okay, and then I will put the alarm. Then I guess it's the okay. This is for the time. Oh, did you see it? Oh, I can see the Evangelion logo backlight. Oh, nice. Okay, let me exit from this part. I have in this part, okay, Evangelion. In here, CASIO Japan. And that's all for this moment. Thanks for watching, my friends. Have a nice day.